आपूण ह्या समाजाचो त्या समाजाचो ह्या धर्माचो तेंच्यांनी कितें केलां आपलीच फॅमिली वयर काडल्या थंयच आसात ते आनी वयल्यान तेंकां ओबीसी आनीक कितें अरे यू ऑल शूड हॅव रीच व्हेरी हाय बाय नाव with these leaders who have been elected for so many years, those people. So, ही frustration and desperation काँग्रेस पक्षाची की लास्ट कास्ट कार्ड युजार करपाचें चलचें ना. एक पॉप्युलर सेंटिमेंट आसा गोंयच्या लोकांच्या मदकांत की फॅमिली राज तितलें करूंक फावना खंयच्याच पक्षान. काँग्रेस हॅज गॉट सच करेज और दे आर सो डेस्परेट अँड ब्लायंड दॅट तेंच्यांनी फॅमिली राज हाडली वालपय कॅन्डिडेट धरून जी पिड्यार जालोलो हेजे आदीक टिकेट दिल्ली ताका मागीर म्हणजे फॅमिलीत आतां पक्ष आहा काय ना. आय वॉज चार्जिंग दीस अर्लियर that Luis in Falero has ruined the party. It is becoming true today. When you can't get candidates, one side you take a family person who was defeated earlier by having given a ticket, and in a by-poll where the sentiment of the Goan people is against family Raj, you have taken that courage. You don't care for the electorate. You bring a South Goa person here in North Goa, entire North Goa, you don't have a candidate. Are you considering the electorate of Panjim as unintelligent? They have no self-dignity. You are humiliating the Panjimites. Saying that here we have brought somebody. Yesterday he could not get 5 people from Panjim. And I tell you, you all will watch it. You will have non-Panjimites who are walking with Girish for campaign. Luisin has already started destroying him. He was desperately trying to be the president of the GPCC. AICC secretary is being brought when everybody is rejecting your tickets when they are going begging. What level has it come to? That you have nobody here. And I feel sorry for Girish. He's been humiliated so much. He has been a member of a spokesman team where a junior general secretary is the chairman. AICC secretary is a member. This Girish Babu. But it is not the question. The question I am trying to make is how bankrupt the Congress has become, which charge I have been making, and it is being proved today. This is why I have taken this press conference. That they have no candidates. One side family Raj. The other side you import from South Goa into Panjim. So Panjimites will go to Madgaon after he gets elected.